Baguhan ka ba sa negosyo o nakapag-register na, pero nalilito sa pagre-register ng books of accounts? Ako si Rizlino of Easy Books. At sa video na ito, tuturuan ko kayo step by step kung paano magre-register ng books sa ORUS.
Sa BAR website. And look for e-services, click. And click nyo tong ORUS. Login ready. Once you register or log in, go to secondary registration and click books of accounts. Go to register books of account. Pag click nyo to, ito lalabas. Register books of accounts. Once na hindi to lumabas, go to your profile and synchronize nyo lang to. Click nyo lang tong synchronize. And ito yung mga step para ma-register nyo taxpayer information, books of accounts, and may attachment, and last yung summary. Go to validate and add row. Pwede kayo dito mag-register ng manual, loose leaf, or computerized. First, for this sample is manual. And click nyo lang dito kung ano re-register ninyong books. For example, cash disbursement journal. Example 1, last volume. Validity period. Taxable year. Sample lang. Bahala kayo kung anong lalagay nyo dito sa taxable year. Add books. And kung wala na kayong i-add na libro, okay na yun. Continue lang. Pero kung mag-a-add pa, kung 2 or 4 ang hinihingi sa inyo ni BIR, go to add row lang. Next, continue. And continue. Yan, lalabas ito. Attachment. And click nyo review. Ito nyo makikita yung mga libro ninyo i-register. And click nyo lang to. Yan. And submit application. Hindi ko siya isa-submit kasi yung account na to, pagka-send nyo nito, i-email to sa inyo. Tips: maintain your books. Record daily or weekly transactions, sales, purchases, expenses, and keep supporting documents, receipts, invoice, or vouchers, and avoid erasures. Use single line or countersign if correction is needed. And update regularly. And for compliance, keep books safe and intact for at least 10 years. And present books during BIR audit or inspection if required.